Friends, here we are talking about launching server for Ansible-Controller node. See, we know that we need one server where we will install our Ansible, and that node is called Ansible admin or Ansible-Controller node. So, Ansible-Controller node is used to run tasks or required operations on remote nodes or remote servers or Ansible managed nodes. We can use any Unix or Linux machine with Python installed as an Ansible controller node. And be clear, don't use Windows as controller node, but we can work with Windows nodes, but we cannot install Ansible on Windows nodes. So you can launch this Unix or Linux server from VMware or from any cloud or even from WSL also. And suppose if you prefer to launch your server from VMware or any Linux from WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux concept, then we can use GUI editors instead of command line editors like VI or VIM. So now let me show you how we can install any Linux on Windows using Windows Subsystem for Linux. So for that, first you have to enable WSL. To enable WSL, simply go to control panel and from here just select uninstall a program. Then you will see in your left side turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. It will open a new window. Then scroll down. So at last somewhere you will see Windows Subsystem for Linux. You just select it. In my case it is already selected. And then click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will ask for restart in your case, if you are selecting Windows Subsystem for Linux at very first time. Then once your system is restarted, go to your PowerShell and then update your WSL. It's good to have WSL2. And this WSL2 is available only from Windows 11 and in Windows 10 from the build number 18362 and version 1903. Now let me go to my PowerShell. So open as administrator. Now here just update your WSL by taking the command WSL space -- update. The most recent version of Windows Subsystem for Linux is already installed in my case. So simply run WSL space -v just to verify your version details. Now see this Windows version details. These are satisfying for this condition. Then after that go to Microsoft Store and install your required Linux OS. So go to Microsoft Store. So top you have search bar, just search let's say Linux. See, these all are the available operating systems under Linux. You can install your required one. Suppose if I want to install let's say Ubuntu, then click on this, get. That will install your Ubuntu operating system on your Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's done. Now you can click on this open. Now see that installing. This may take few minutes. So just provide any Unix username here. Let's say I'm giving VRTech. Password, any password you want to give. Installation successful. Now you entered into your Ubuntu terminal. Now go to PowerShell and here run WSL space -l-v. List all your distributions. See that Ubuntu is installed and it is running now on your Windows and version is 2. This version is for WSL. Now suppose if you want to install CentOS on your Windows. See, in your Microsoft Store, we don't have CentOS. You can search. See, there is no CentOS. But there is a way to install CentOS on your Windows. So for that, you have to follow these steps. So first download CentOS from the below links. See, as of now, these three are the CentOS images available for your Windows. And here I will use CentOS9 for my Ansible controller. So simply click on this link. It will redirect to Google Drive link. Just download it. Download anyway. So once it is downloaded, so I already downloaded it. Just go to that directory, extract it to your required location. Suppose here I'm going to extract this to my, let's say, desktop location. It has been extracted to my desktop location. See, on your desktop it has been extracted with two files. So just cut them and create new folder. Let's say simply CentOS9. Then paste it here. Now once it is done, now give right click on this and then run as administrator. Click on more info, run anyway. It will ask yes or no confirmation. You just give yes. Now it is installing. Installation complete. Press enter to continue. Now once again go with your desktop, your required folder. Now you are ready to use this CentOS9. Just give double click on this. Now you are ready with server to install your Ansible. So there is one more way to enter into your server command line or terminal. Simply close it. Open your PowerShell. So here simply run WSL-L-V and see, as of now default WSL is Ubuntu because here star is there. Now I want to make it as this CentOS as default WSL. So for that simply run WSL-S set, this one. Now give WSL-L-V. Now your CentOS is the default WSL from your PowerShell command line. So now simply if you run WSL, enter, you will enter into your CentOS terminal. Now you can verify /OS release. That's it. Now let me verify SSHD service status. So simply I am using systemctl status SSHD service status. See here we are getting some exception because by default systemctl is not enabled on your WSL. So for that what we have to do is we have to create a file called wsl.conf under etc location and then simply paste this information. And here this is to enable your systemctl and this is for change mode command because by default change mode command will give always all permissions to your files. So to avoid that we have to use auto mount options equals to metadata. Now let me save it and then exit from your terminal and then just simply run WSL -shutdown. Now see WSL-L-V, your CentOS is stopped. Now restart it, simply run WSL. It will enter into your CentOS command line. It will take some time whenever if you are stopping and starting your WSL. Yes, now we are on CentOS terminal. Now run systemctl status SSHD service. See that it is up and running. And here we need Python software to install your Ansible and also to run your Ansible. So let me verify, is there any pre-installed Python on this CentOS? Yes, there is. Just verify the version. We have some 3.9 version. That's fine. And is there any pip? Just let me verify that. There is no pip. So you have to install that. So to install that simply run yum install python 3-pip. Now let me give s confirmation. That's it. See, instead of giving your s confirmation in between of your yum command, what you can do is you can directly pass that option in your command itself like this. So now we have pip3 as well. Now we are ready with your Ansible controller node to install your Ansible. Okay, thank you.